Hello everybody, welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So today's recipe is 3-layered baked khichdi and it is a complete meal. It is a very healthy recipe and it's also gluten free and it is full of minerals and vitamins. This is a complete meal. You can have it in your lunch or in dinner and you can serve to your guests even. And this is a full meal. Why? Because it has your dals, it has rice and it has vegetable and also curd and cheese even. And it's a super easy dish. So let's begin with it. So I'm going to take a pan, add oil to it. You can take a kadai even. I've added oil to it. Now goes the finely chopped onion. Saute it a bit so that it becomes slightly pink in color. And now I'm going to add, see my onions are quite pink. Now I'm going to add chopped florets. Cauliflower florets goes into it. Here goes chopped potatoes of which the skin has been removed. You can add as many variety of vegetables to it. Here goes peas. You can add zucchini, broccoli, whatever vegetables here you want to add. I am adding carrots. This is a very good way of making your family eat vegetables. Here goes corn kernels. Add colorful vegetables so that it is very appealing to eye. Here goes salt into it. Saute it a bit. And now I'm going to add some water so that the vegetables get tender while it gets cooked up. I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my vegetables are almost tender. Now I'm going to add freshly chopped colorful bell peppers. This will add lovely color to the dish. And I'm just going to cover and cook for 1 minute because I want the crunchiness of the capsicums. And my vegetable layer is almost done. Now I'm going to add freshly chopped oregano leaves. You can add any herb, whichever flavor you want. And my vegetable layer is done. See, this dish is almost 3 layers. So the second layer, that is the vegetable layer, is prepared. And now I'm preparing the first layer. So here comes the preparation of the first layer or the khichdi. So I've heated a pressure pan, added ghee to it. Here goes the cumin seeds, some cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks and Asafoetida powder, which will add a lovely taste to this dish. And this is your rice and yellow split dal, which have been soaked for 2 hours in water. I have removed the excess water through the sieve and I'm just dropping this mixture into this pressure pan. Just roast it, saute it a bit for at least 1 minute. And now I'm going to add salt to it. Here goes salt, some turmeric powder. You can add spices of your taste like coriander powder, garam masala or allspice. That would also taste nice. But I am adding the basic ingredient of the khichdi. And here comes the boiling water. Don't forget, you have to add boiling water to it. That would make the khichdi work fast, even tasty. So to have a good taste of the khichdi, add boiling hot water to it instead of the normal water. Now I'm just going to give 2 whistles, and after 2 whistles I'm going to let it stand so that it cools down. So now I'm preparing the third layer. So for the third layer I've taken a mixing bowl, added hung curd to it. This third layer is super awesome. Here goes grated cheese. Here goes garlic minced in it. Some salt goes into it and I'm just going to whip it off so that it becomes light and fluffy, so that it becomes a homogeneous mixture. My third layer is almost done. So now I have taken a baking dish. I'm just greasing it. My khichdi is also done. It's also cooled off. And I've opened the lid. Lovely, beautiful. It's an Indian risotto, Italian Indian risotto. So I'm just whipping it with a whipper. So my greasing of the baking dish is finished and now I'm going to put the first layer. So the first layer is of the khichdi. This is the Indian risotto. I'm just going to spread it out, remove the leaf, spread it out evenly, smoothen it out, make a thick layer of the khichdi because that is the basic of the dish. That would give a filling feel to us even while we gorge upon it. These layers, all these 3 layers you can prepare beforehand and keep it in your fridge, and whenever required you just have to assemble and bake it. Now I'm putting the second layer. Here goes the vegetable layer. See, it looks so lovely, colorful layer. Meanwhile, my oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. And now goes the third layer. This is your hung curd layer. Hung curd mixture layer. See, so creamy and thick. Lovely. So fluffy. I'm just going to spread it out. I'm just going to smoothen it out. Beautiful. Just smoothen it out. I'll show you the 3 layers. See, this is the khichdi layer. Here is the vegetable layer. And on top is the cream or the hung curd layer. Now this will go for baking. So I am baking it at 200 degrees Celsius. And see, after baking, lovely charring has taken place. If it doesn't char, grill it for 5 minutes to get this lovely char. Now I'm just slicing it off after cooling it for 5 minutes. Slicing it into 4 portions. And here it is. My khichdi is ready to be served. You can enjoy the khichdi. Can you see the 3 layers? The khichdi layer, the vegetable layer and the hung curd layer. It looks really awesome and it tastes even awesome. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, please make the khichdi and enjoy it. And please like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.